Florida and Gullahs who were being enslaved on John's Island, right here in Charleston County. But they heard the edict, the announcement from La Florida that the Spanish king said, if any of the Negroes shall escape Carolina, make it to La Florida and convert to Catholicism, they shall be manumitted, freed, given arms and land. What we've been talking about all day, having our land. So when brother, as they renamed him Jimmy, but his real name was Cato, heard that edict, he got together some 20 plus Angolan men. They got together and they made the drums. They got together and they made a banner. And they left John's Island, crossing the creek shore, made it across the King's Highway, which is now called Highway 17, made it to a place called Hollywood Ravenel, South Carolina, where we have a marker there to the Stoner Rebellion, into a shop called the Hutchinson Store, which is now a Gullah Geechee food co-op that operates there. Here it is. They broke in there because they made the swords, because they were blacksmiths. They had been enslaved for that knowledge, but that knowledge never left them for their own use. They made the swords, they made those weapons, they made a banner, they beat the drum, and all who heard them that day said they were crying, liberty, 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 as they marched. And what did they play? Drum. Marching to Gracia Real in Santa Teresa de Mose, or Fort Mose, just outside of St. Augustine. And after that, 1740, came the slave codes that said no Africans are to play the drum. No Africans are to own land. No Africans are to read or write. And no 3 or more Africans are to gather together without overseer present. So Gullah Geechee has been breaking that law ever since 1740. We never stop gathering together. We never stop going down. We never stop doing this work. We never stop any of it. Some of y'all will stop reading and you dishonor your ancestors. And I don't mean no text on your phone. I mean a book. Read, because people died so you could. That's why we told you at the Music and Movement Festival, it's about the movement, it's about the movement, it's about the movement, it's about the movement. So let us move united together when we hear the drums. Because for 10 years, I would call Wona Womalan. And when I would say those words, Wona Womalan, somehow, I started seeing people's bodies moving. And I would say, Wona Womalan. And somehow, I would hear drums start playing. And I would say, Wona Womalan. And then we all would start dancing. Because one thing them children we done do, they never stop dancing. They never stop drumming. Let me see if you help me, if we can get it together. Wona Womalan.
Gentlemen, we're Wona Womalan African Drum and Dance Ensemble right here from Charleston, South Carolina, and we came to share some African drumming and dancing with you all. Is that okay? Yeah. The first drumming and dancing that we're going to do is called Kasada. Kasada is the office dance. We have the sweetgrass basket on certain movements that we do. You see us picking the rice out, the shuffling of the feet. When they in the garden,